Okay, so I believe if nobody is saying something, I believe everyone has received the topics previously, other than Sneha, of course. If there's still someone who doesn't have a topic for paragraph writing or for speech writing, please let me know right now. I'll be sending you the
Uh,
topic.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am done with my previous topic.
No,
I
no.
have sent you the speech.
Yes, I know who have sent me. I'm asking if there's anyone who has not received a topic.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, Sneha, I have sent you the topic, and I believe rest of you all have your topics. So I am assuming that every one of you have written either a passage or a speech. Okay, so I would like you to recite the passage and your speeches in front of everyone in the class. So who will be starting? आपने जो पैराग्राफ या स्पीच जो भी लिखा है, I want you to speak here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
may I?
Okay. Yes, Ajit, please start.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello, my friends. I am going to give a small speech about freedom fighter Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was born on 19 November 1828 in the town of Varanasi into a Marathi Kardev Brahmin family. She was named Manu. Her father was Morpant Tambe and her mother's Bhagirathi Spare Bhagirathi Bai. Her parents came from Maharashtra. Her mother died when she was 4 years old. Her father was the commander of the Bar of Kalyan Prat. Her father worked for Peshwar Baji Rao II of Bithur district. The Peshwar called her Shabili, which means playful. She was educated at home, able to read and write, and was more independent in her childhood than others of her age. Her studies include shooting, horsemanship, fencing, and Malkamba with her childhood friends Nana Sahib and Tatya Top. Rani Lakshmibai contrasted many of the patriarchal culture's expectations for women in Indian society at this time. Rani Lakshmibai was accustomed to riding on horseback, accompanied by escorts between the palace and the temple, although sometimes she was carried in the palanquin. Her horses, including Sarangi, Pavan, and Vadal, when escaping from the fort in 1858, her palace, the Rani Mahal, has now been converted into a museum. It houses a collection of archaeological remains of the period between the 9th and 12th century AD. Manikarnika was married to the middle-aged Maharaja of Jhansi Gangadhar Rao in May 1842 and was afterward called Lakshmi Bai in honor of the Hindu goddess Lakshmi and according to the Maharashtrian traditions of women being given a new name after marriage. In September 1851, she gave birth to a baby boy, later named Damodar Rao, who died 4 months after birth. The Maharaja adopted a child called Anand Rao, the son of Gangadhar Rao cousins, who was renamed Damodar Rao. On the day before the Maharaja died, the adoption was in the presence of British political officers, who was given a letter from the Maharaja instructing that the child will be treated with respect and that the government of Jhansi should be given to his widow for her lifetime. After the death of Maharaja in November 1853, because the mother Rao was an adopted son, the British East Indian Company under Governor General Lord Dalhousie applied the doctrine of lapse, rejecting Damodar Roy claim to the throne and annexing the state to its territories. When she was informed of this, she carried out, मैं झांसी नहीं दूंगी. At last, I want to conclude my topics. Rani Lakshmibai was brave woman and leave the message for the whole woman. If country needs you, you must fulfill the needs of country at any cost. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Ajit. Minor mistakes, but since you were saying it for the first time, I would like to say that your efforts were highly recognized. Okay, so who will go next?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Sonali can go next.
Yes, and good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, respected ma'am, and my dear batchmates. First of all, thanks to ma'am because she given me a golden opportunity to speak a speech over famous personality Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was a paradigm of it. His life was like a book with countless pages to be learned. He was the embodiment virtue, honesty, discipline, punctuality, and humility, which adorned his personality as fragrance adorned the flower. He was born on 3 December 1884 at Jiradai village in Saran district of Bihar. Rajendra Prasad grew up in an atmosphere pervaded by living faith in God and spirit of devotion to Dharma. He was topped in the matric examination of Kolkata University in 1902 and completed his BL examination, obtained Master for Law. Scholars of today must gain some inspiration from his penchant for studies and free themselves from the mad rat race for money. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was a great leader and organizer. He helped Gandhiji at various occasions to steer the ferry of freedom. In the Congress session of 1916, he represented Bihar as a leader, and after that, there was no looking back. He supported non-violence but believed in intelligent aggressiveness. He was very gutsy and daring. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, indomitable disposition of working for the right was a hallmark of his life. He was both physically and mentally dedicated to the cause humanity. He was in jail. He later wrote an autobiography in Hindi. His philosophy of contentment portrays his health mind. Dr. Prasad was very tolerant and benevolent. We was lost of finding human and humane in the death of first president of Indian independent India, that is Dr. Prasad. His was par excellence, a life with a theme, a life dedicated to great thinkers' ideals. He tried to make India a never delay in action country. Now it is up to us to make his dream come true. That's all. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay, very good, Sonali. Okay, next. Who will-
मैम,
Yes.
मेरे टॉपिक में क्या क्या कमी था थोड़ा बताइएगा.
There were minor grammatical mistakes. Okay, मैं आपको जो आपने मेरे को स्पीच भेजी है उसमें से आपको मैं करेक्शन करके दे दूंगी. ठीक है, आपने जो बोला है वही स्पीच मेरे को भेजी है, राइट?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there are minor grammatical mistakes. I will send it to you after connection. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
मेरे स्पीच में था, आप बोली थी क्लास में बता देंगे तो
Sorry. Okay, you
मैम आप
all.
बोली थी ना आज मॉर्निंग को आपको भेजे थे ध्यानचंद पे, तो फिर आप बोली थी माइनर मिस्टेक है, क्लास में डिस्कस
Yes,
करेंगे।
that's what I'm telling you. There are. Just a second. Okay, so there are some minor mistakes, grammatical mistakes. Okay, that can only be corrected when I'm looking at the speech. Okay, there are minor mistakes like आपका जो स्पीच था जो अजीत ने या सोनाली ने दिया उसमें भी थोड़ा थोड़ा ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स है. ओके, बस वो छोटी छोटी जो चीजें हैं आई हैव टू करेक्ट देम. ओके, once you start speaking you'll get in the flow and then I'll correct you. आप फिर से देंगे speech, then you'll know what the difference between those two are. Okay.
ओके मैम।
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, who would like to go next then?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Abhishek, yes you can.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Abhishek Singh, and today I am present here to say a few lines on the greatest personality of India who have helped many of the poor and needy people during lockdown. Yes, my friends, you all have guessed it right. He is none other than Sonu Sood, and I am really grateful to Akanksha ma'am that she gave me a prosperous opportunity to say a few lines on him. So guys, as we all know that the Sonu Sood is an Indian actor and film producer. He was born on 30 July 1973 at Moga. Currently it is situated in Punjab. He had worked in Tamil, Telugu and Hindi cinema. And guys, I am really a huge fan of Sonu Sood because of his works that he have done during the lockdown. He have helped many poor and needy people for arranging their bus to their homes or getting oxygens and ventilators for them. He is a real life hero and an idol for me. I will also like to add his sum of quotation here, and his first quotation and his one of his quotation is, I can't give, if I can't give back to my society, then it isn't the good life I am leading, which means that we all are living in a society. We are here to help each other. If we are not helping each other, that means that we are not following the rule of our society. So it is our duty to look who is in the needy condition in our society. He is a real legend of 2021. I wish him all the best for his coming future. By this, I am ending my speech here. Thank you and have a nice day.
ओके, वेरी गुड अभिषेक. आई होप आपने जो मैंने जो आपको बताए थे माइनर चेंजेस करने के लिए वो चेंजेस आपने किए. दैट इज वेरी गुड. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so does anyone else wants to speak?
Can I speak, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Himanshu, you can.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Himanshu Kaur, and thank you, ma'am, for giving me a great opportunity. And my topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment can be defined to promoting women's sense of self-worth, their ability to determine their own choice. Women play an important role in society, and the whole family is dependent on the woman for its daily activities. They play the role of mother, wife, homemaker. The life of woman is very hard, but she gets little or no appreciate. There are a lot of women who are very talented and multitasker, but have no recognition in our society. If we talk about Tokyo Olympic 2020, then PV Sindhu take bronze medal and Mirabai Chanu wins silver medal. That is the power of women, and women do hard work, and we should appreciate women. Thank you.
Okay, very good, Himanshu. The topic was well chosen. I believe I didn't give you the topic. This topic was on your own chosen topic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, anyone else?
Thank you.
Okay, Brijesh.
Yes, ma'am.
you
Can I speak?
Okay, let Brijesh finish, then you can speak, Saurav. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and dear my friends. I am Saurav, and today I will a small speech on delivered Harry Potter. Harry Potter is a film series based on the eponymous novel by J.K. Rowling. The series is distributed by Warner Bros. And consists of 8 fantasy films, beginning with Harry Potter and Deathly Hallows. Harry Potter is a film series is director David Yates, Chris Columbus, Mike Newell. The rights for the first 4 novels in the series were sold to Warner Bros. Harry Potter first introduced in the novel 1997 and Harry Potter release date 2001-2011. The Harry Potter series proved incredibly popular with both children and adults worldwide. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Anyone else? Yes, Saurabh, it's your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you wanted to speak, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead. Do you have any doubt, Brijesh?
No, ma'am, I want to speak.
Okay, let Saurabh finish first.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, go for it, Saurabh.
Yes, ma'am. I
बोलो ना यार.
Ish. Okay, Saurabh, I believe there are some network issues.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. And dear my friend, I am Saurav, and today I will a small speech on delivered Harry Potter's. Harry Potter is a film series based on the eponymous novel by J.K. Rowling. The series is distributed by Warner Bros. And consists of 8 fantasy films, beginning with Harry Potter and Deathly Hallows. Harry Potter is a film series is director David Yates, Chris Columbus, Mike Newell. The rights for the first 4 novels in the series were sold to Warner Bros. Harry Potter first introduced in the novel 1997 and Harry Potter release date 2001-2011. The Harry Potter series proved incredibly popular with both children and adults worldwide. At last, I would like to say a few words that were shared by the great personality. Harry Potter is a based on the eponymous novels. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you both have said the same speeches. I don't know who has written it, but you both are saying the same speech. Brijesh and Saurabh.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Harry Potter is a masterpiece.
Either you have shared the like the speech within yourself, or you have just copied each other's. Someone has copied the text from the other person. I don't know who copied, but there is minor mistake which I would like to like मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी कि यहाँ पर आपने गलती की है और आप दोनों ने ये गलती की है, इसीलिए मुझे पता है कि किसी ने कॉपी किया है. फर्स्ट थिंग, द लाइन इज जब आपने वहां पे लिखा है टुडे आई विल स्पीच ऑन डिलीवर्ड हैरी पॉटर. ओके, आई विल डिलीवर अ स्पीच ऑन हैरी पॉटर, ऐसा लाइन लिख सकते हैं, या फिर आई विल बी स्पीकिंग अबाउट हैरी पॉटर. ठीक है, ऑन नहीं होगा, अबाउट हैरी पॉटर, या फिर आई विल बी डिलीवरिंग अ स्पीच ऑन हैरी पॉटर. दोनों में से कोई एक ऑप्शन लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, स्पीच जो
Yes.
होता है, स्पीच व्हेनेवर यू यूज द वर्ड स्पीच इन योर स्पीच, तो आपको ऐसा टॉपिक में ऐसा नहीं लिखता है कि आई विल स्पीच, स्पीच का मतलब क्या होता है? स्पीक, आप वहां पर बोल रहे हैं, राइट? स्पीच आपकी जो है वो स्पीच जो आप बोल रहे हैं वो है, जब आप बोल रहे हैं तो आप स्पीक बोलेंगे, ठीक है? आई एम अबाउट टू स्पीक ऑन अ टॉपिक और आई वांट टू स्पीक अबाउट सम टॉपिक, ऐसे बोलेंगे। स्पीच जो है वो वर्ड आपकी स्पीच में नहीं यूज होना चाहिए। Okay, next thing is ye I think this mistake has been done by some other students also, so I would like,
मैम आप कैमरा ऑन करके बोलिए ना मैम।
okay, I don't know how it stopped. Okay, so as I was telling you कि whenever you are speaking in a speech, तो आप speech नहीं बोलेंगे I would like to deliver a speech on something, या फिर I would like to speak about something, ठीक है? ये मिस्टेक मैंने 2-3 बच्चों में देखी है स्पीच में, तो ये चीज आप सब लोग करेक्शन कर लीजिए अपने स्पीच में। नेक्स्ट थिंग इज मैंने जो आपको लास्ट में लाइन लिखने दी थी ये कि एट लास्ट आई वुड लाइक टू से अ फ्यू वर्ड्स दैट वर सेड बाय द ग्रेट पर्सनालिटी, ये मैंने आपको तब लिखने दी थी जब आप इसके आगे कोई कोटेशंस लगा रहे हैं। ओके, मैंने ये लाइन आपको तब लिखने बोली थी जब आप इसके आगे कोटेशंस लगा रहे हैं, ठीक है? जैसे कि आप मान लीजिए हैरी पॉटर की जो राइटर हैं उनके बारे में कोई कोटेशन, उनकी बोली हुई कोई कोटेशन लगा रहे होते हैं, तब आप ये लाइन लिखते हैं, या फिर हैरी पॉटर का कोई एक डायलॉग लिख रहे होते हैं तब आप ये लाइन लगा रहे होते हैं। ओके, ये लाइन के आगे कुछ आना चाहिए। इस लाइन का मतलब क्या है आप समझ के यूज करिए ना। At last, I would like to say a few words that were said by the great personality means कि आप जो great personality के बारे में लिख रहे हैं उनकी कही कुछ शब्दों को आप वहां दोहरा रहे हैं स्पीच में। All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt to ask you.
Yes, please.
मैम जैसे आपने कहा ना मैम क्विटेशन यूज करके स्पीच लिखने के लिए, तो मैम जैसे हम किसी पे भी स्पीच लिखते हैं, मान लीजिए हम एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम पे ही लिख रहे हैं, तो उनके बारे में पूरा डिटेल देने के बाद लास्ट में क्विटेशन देना है मैम, कि जैसे बीच में ही क्विटेशन देकर उनके लाइफ को मतलब एक्सप्लेन करना है?
anyhow see that's what I'm telling you, ठीक है? आप अगर शुरू में यूज करते हैं तो आप शुरू में कोटेशन लिख के फिर बोल सकते हैं कि these lines were said by एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम। ओके,
यस मैम।
या फिर आप एंड में करेंगे तो जो मैंने अभी लाइन इनको बताई कि एट लास्ट आई वुड लाइक टू से, हाँ, वो लाइन यूज करके फिर कोटेशन बोल सकते हैं। अगर आप बीच में यूज करना चाहते हैं, ठीक है, बीच में भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं। मैंने कहा आपको स्पीच के साथ आपको जितना मॉडिफिकेशन करना आप करिए, करेक्शंस मैं करूंगी आपको अगर कुछ गलती होता है तो, ठीक है? बीच में अगर आप डालना, ओके, बीच में भी आप डाल सकते हैं। बीच का भी ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कहीं से भी कुछ भी उठा के डाल दें। एक फ्लो मैंने आपको बताया है, उस फ्लो में ही जाना चाहिए स्पीच आपका। ओके
ओके मैम।
ओके,
थैंक यू मैम।
Yes.
Okay, so I was telling you some corrections. One more thing, yes, there are some minor, as I told you, some minor errors. आप लोग वर को वेयर बोल रहे हैं, WERE वर होता है, WHERE वेयर होता है, HER हर होता है, HERE हेयर होता है। तो अगर आप कर रहे हैं, स्पीच दे रहे हैं, तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन एक बार आप चेक कर लेंगे कि जो भी वर्ड आप बोल रहे हैं उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसा है। ओके
Yes.
ओके, वन मोर थिंग, यस, एक स्टूडेंट ने मुझे ऐसा स्पीच भेजा था, मुझे लगता नहीं कि किसी और ने भेजा है, बट स्टिल आई वुड लाइक टू रिपीट माय फॉर्मेट टू यू। आप जब एक फॉर्मेट में लिख रहे हैं किसी के बारे में स्पीच, किसी एक पर्सन के बारे में स्पीच लिख रहे हैं, तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको सबसे पहले उनका बर्थ डेट लिखना है, फिर उनके एक्नॉलेजमेंट्स लिखने हैं, उनके अचीवमेंट्स लिखने हैं, उनका फैमिली बैकग्राउंड लिख सकते हैं, उनका एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड लिख सकते हैं, फिर उन्होंने जो लाइफ में अपनी डिफिकल्टीज के बाद ये सब अचीवमेंट्स पाए हैं वो आप लिख सकते हैं। ओके उसके बाद आपने उसमें डेट ऑफ डेथ, इफ द पर्सन इज डाइड, डेट ऑफ डेथ लास्ट में आपको लिखना है, ठीक है। Is someone having any doubt regarding the format?
Excuse me, ma'am. I want something ask question with you, ma'am.
Yes, yes, please ask.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, this is short internal assessment exam which is done in between 16 to
No, that's
20
not.
August, I think.
नहीं, that's not for you. Okay, that's for the seniors जो already BSc BSIT या BBA BAPM का जो बैच already चल रहा है, आपका तो अभी ब्रिज का चल रहा है ना।
Excuse me, ma'am, but ma'am, director
Yes,
said that it will be also for bridge batches. He has mentioned that.
No, internal exams आपके बाद में होंगे, अभी नहीं होंगे आपके
Ma'am, he
batches-
has, ma'am, okay, ma'am, but he has mentioned in a group that it will be.
Leaders in India who has plenty of admirers. He served the nation for only one term and left us for always on 27th of July 2015 due to cardiac arrest. At last, I would like to repeat few words that were said by this great personality. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Brijesh. It was good, and you have used the format correctly. Okay, anyone else who would like to speak?
मैम इससे पहले मैंने कोई स्पीच नहीं दिया था।
It's okay, don't worry. You'll get more practice here than anywhere else.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so
Ma'am, can I speak about Helen Keller speech?
yes, please go ahead, Ravi.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone present. I feel extremely privileged to got an opportunity to speak about Helen Keller, one of the most inspiring or motivating women of the world. She was born on June 27, 1880 in मैम क्या प्रोनाउंस करते हैं, टस्कम्बिया की क्या टस्कम्बिया?
Chat में you can send me in the chat and I'll tell you the pronunciation.
Tuscumbia in Alabama. ऐसा ही, right? I'm right down here.
Okay,
At
move ahead with the speech. I'll tell you the pronunciation afterwards.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, आगे पढ़ें मैम?
Yes, move. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. I am go ahead. Yeah. At the age of 19 months, she fell ill with brain fever, which disabled her hearing and seeing faculties. Since she was a very bright child, she had so much to express. However, finding herself disabled frustrated her. She became very restless and anguished at times. Helen Keller had to face adversities on every step she put forward. She fought her darkness, hearing and speech disabilities and emerged as a better personality. Helen was a prodigy child who had to fight the numberless challenges since her early childhood. Ma'am, what is the meaning of the word prodigy? In Hindi?
Pedigree.
Prodigy.
हाँ.
अच्छा, प्रोडिग्री मतलब क्या मीनिंग हुआ मैम?
prodigy prodigy है अच्छा, you can